guys, how you all doing? It's a girl Daisy Desta, aka Double D, aka Self-Made Boss, aka Pepe the Gang. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, independing on where you're watching me from. So today, guys, is not an English speaking day. Today is not an English speaking day at all. We go speak broken today. In fact, broken they get broken, or God wey dey inside broken. Now we go speak today because this matter na ogbonge matter. So that's why I don't see am o. I did my own jejely. One girl called me. She called me. She started to beg. AKA Double D, AKA Double D, I beg, help me. Help your sister. Help me. Then I can't say, who be you? Who you be? Where were you? Where have you not been? Now she want to explain to me, say, she can't tell me, say, see her name. Babes, I'm going to respect that. I'm not going to call your name. So I don't know this girl. She said that somebody will know somebody. The other person will know the other person. The other person will know the other person. Now I give her my number. Say my name they ring for everywhere. She they hear my name for everywhere. Now she can say she go call me. Now let me she go call. She go explain this thing to her. And I can say gist me. Now she can start to talk. Cause say I beg. She needs solution. I beg. What seem be the problem, babes? She said the problem is say anytime when she take day with her man, when they two take day, if her guy want put in cassava for inside akpekus go start. He said that two son, the other one. Not be joking, matter. Wanna pardon me, say I dey laugh. Not be joking, matter. But I know waiting now on me. Those sound, I know waiting me. The Pekus go soon expire. The Pekus go soon expire. The Pekus go soon expire. So this girl Pekus, it go soon expire. Now she can call me, say I beg, AKA Double D. I beg, make her help and find solution. Make her not leave this Pekus, make this Pekus expire like this. Now I can't talk to myself, say, if I really leave this Pekus, make it expire like this, waiting I gain? Waiting I go gain if this Pekus just expire like this? Hey, what? I'm not gonna gain anything. I'm not gonna gain anything if that get Pekus just carry expire like that. I'm not gonna gain anything. She can't beg me. She can't really beg, like serious begging. Now I can't say, before I even do anything, before I even find solution to her, I must do this video, comment. You understand? Maybe one or two persons physically get other solution. When I go see, join my own when I get. Take help this girl. They help this our sister. They help this our friend. You understand? So although I never see the girl face to face, now as people they share my number, they go as they help people they go. Now she say get my number. You understand me? So I beg. I know so I get good heart for this our ministry. Make una help me. Make I help sister. Make I help this girl. You understand me? So when una not allow this Pekus expire. If this Pekus expire, wait una go gain. Una no go gain anything. This Pekus go soon expire. According to Ashite Talker, anytime where a man, a guy, take put his cassava for inside the Pekus, it go be like say you want go use another bucket, take pour water, join the water where they inside river. Sure na they know as they be. River, you want go pour water again, na know as they be. She said once a guy just put the cassava for inside the Pekus, say hey, oh, it go start. He said you're that type now. God's okay, because so I beg. make una no allow this kpekus expire. Not even Musa no go see for gate. Every solution that they call me here and there, they call me. People they call me here, but it's okay. I'm loving it. You understand me? So if this kpekus expire, wetin una gain? So now understand wetin they try talk. You know, say this is our ministry. Small children fit dey waka the pass. So I don't want to talk and the way we read be. So now understand wetin be kpekus. Una understand wetin be cassava. Now that one dey important. Una understand say kpekus wan expire. Una understand say the kpekus they do like this. My God. Una understand say the second one the kpekus dey. So I beg una help me, make I help this girl. Make I help. I know una get good heart. I know say una get good heart. Una go find solution for me. AKA Pepper den gang. Where una dey? Make una help me, oh. AKA the 3 wise women. I know say 2 no there, but I dey represent the 2. This one they represent one. This one they represent one. Yes. Make una help me or make I help this girl. Oh. Una understand me? So if this kpekus expire, una not go gain anything. This kpekus go soon expire. Oh. Repeat. This kpekus go soon expire. Like repeat after me. This kpekus go soon expire. Make una do something. No. So I did very hard working for this YouTube ministry game. That make me the surprise when one person will come and they say, I'm just here for fun. We be say, AKA Double D, they very hard working. People they call here and there. I did very hard working for this ministry game. Okay. Make I shock una. Person from London. One lady from London, she called me last week. AKA Double D, I beg. She said her husband no dey misbehave. She need extra husband. I beg, make I send them. Make I send them extra husband. Now from here when I did so. If you want post package for where I did so, it dey hard and it dey expensive. It dey hard, it dey expensive. I don't collect them from this woman. I from here post extra husband go London, go give this woman last week. But so God be the glory. God not they live in hope. God not they live in own. I be God own. To God Almighty. To God be the glory. That extra husband when I post go give this woman for London, he don't deliver 3 days ago. He don't deliver 3 days ago. I'm so happy. Very happy about that. He don't deliver 3 days ago. Okay, make I chop now again. Person called me from Canada. One young, fine, sexy girl called me from Canada. AKA Double D. I beg, I need your help. Now I say, babes, what is it? Now she come tell me say, her boyfriend, though they misbehave so much, I beg. She need extra boyfriend. Now from here, they post another boyfriend again, go Canada. But that one never reached. Since last 2 weeks, that one never reached. What's happen now? We don't know. When this brother Koro, if I say Corona, now understand brother Koro, now they delay that one now, we don't know. Extra boyfriend now where they go Canada. When I post go Canada, he never reached that one hand. Now they put for prayer. I know say God wait do that extra husband. Oh wait, go London. He go still do this one. When I still post go Canada, the boy go still rich. I know. He go still rich. I know say now this brother Koro, now they delay the one where they go Canada. I know say go still deliver by the special grace of God. You understand how hard working I am in this ministry? Now so that they call me here and there. Here and there, here and there, if they feel me so now I say make I come sell una before una cook, before una do anything. Make una not forget say person kpekus go soon expire. Make una no forget say person kpekus go soon expire o. Person kpekus go soon expire. Abeg. Biko nunu, make we join hands together. Say help this girl. Say renew kpekus. Make una no allow this kpekus expire like that. So if this kpekus expire like that, wetin una gain? Nothing. Una no gain anything. So make we join hands together. Make we say tidy this girl kpekus. Take renew am for am back. E no good o when una go just fold una hands allow another person kpekus dey expire for one place, because as e be say don dey do later dey do you know say my goodness ew ew so abeg my people, make una help me help this girl. Abeg una understand me, so abeg make anything wey I wan do, make una dey always dey remember say person kpekus wey wan expire, wey be say we never renew, e still dey ground. The matter of the kpekus wey wan expire very soon, e still dey ground o. E still dey ground. Everybody need each other. This girl need una o. Her kpekus go soon expire. Make una do something about it. Make una join me. Make we do something about it. Make una not allow this kpekus expire like that. If this kpekus expire like that, what una go get? Nothing. Now make una be some go. Una go join me. Make we take renew this girl kpekus again to normal. I beg go and I beg now. So guys, let me use this opportunity to thank my whole subscribers. My old subscribers, you guys I love you all. Thank you all so much. May God Almighty bless you all. My new subscribers, thank you all. May God Almighty bless you all. I love you all. Thank you all. Keep giving me more and more views. Keep sharing my video. Share my video. I give you permission. Is it permission or permission? Anything pay. But share my video. Share it. You understand? Not be money to the share. Just the share like that. They go. You understand me now? Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for sharing. Thank you all for the views. I appreciate you all so much. So guys, like my video, view my video. If you like, you give me thumbs down. Like, I don't care. If you really want to give me thumbs down, I don't really care. Thumbs up, thumbs down, who you help? You not help anybody. If you like, you give me thumbs down. I don't care. Like, I really don't care. I really don't care. Yes, I don't care whether you give me thumbs down. I don't care now. Who you help? I don't care. So guys, don't go anywhere. See you soon in my next video. Stay tuned for your baby girl. Stay tuned for your baby girl. See you soon in my next video. Okay, guys, before you do anything, as I'm going to speak English, somebody speak English. I mean, before you do anything, make una not forget say person kpekus go soon expire. Person kpekus go soon expire. If this girl kpekus expire, I not gain anything. Make una join hands together with my own. Make we take find solution to this expiring kpekus. So expiring kpekus. Make we join hands together. Oh. So make una always dey get am for mind say person kpekus go soon expire. Alright guys, see you all soon in my next video. Bye. Person kpekus go soon expire. Don't forget that. Don't forget it. Don't forget it.